Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Realme 11 Pro. So let's start with the first one, and that you can actually translate basically everything from one language to another by just using your Google Assistant, and he will speak out loudly the translation. So let's say, "Hey Google, translate from English, I ate the burger, to Polish."
Okay.
Let's try again. Hey Google, translate I ate the burger to Polish.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
So it works fine. And next command will be to easily find your device if you lost it somewhere in the room and you can't help locate it. So what you need to do is to set your Google Assistant to lock screen, so that Hey Google will work on the lock screen, and after that you can basically ask your Google to where he is, or you can tell him to play some music, and then it will be easy to find it. So let's say, "Hey Google, where are you?"
in Polish, that's
Gdzie jesteś?
So it just translated to Polish because it remembered what I asked before. And the next command will be to count the calories in any food, and he will also speak out exact calories count. So, "Hey Google, how many calories in McDonald's burger, Big Mac?"
according to McDonald's, Big Mac 590 cal, 0.590 cal. Ever wondered what's on a Big Mac?
So yeah, that's very nice. And you can also ask your Google to call someone if you can't get a hand to do that. So only thing you need to do before that is to have this person in your contact list. So for example, if you have your mom under a mom name on your contact, you just need to do, "Hey Google, call mom."
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And I don't have my mom on this contact list, so he won't make that call. But if you have one, then just say the name of your contact person that you want to reach. And another one that is really close to the call is to send a message. So you can say, "Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger."
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And yeah, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.